What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a huge Sephora and Ulta haul. I feel like all of this stuff is going to be old news because it's been sitting around for weeks. I want to say maybe a month. The first thing I got was this Precisely brow kit from Benefit. I thought it was a really good deal because you get large and a small. They should call this Biggie Smalls is what they should call it. And so I like this. I like to fill in my eyebrows and make them just look more manly every time. So yes, I've been digging these and that was the first thing. Next thing I got was this from Clinique, and I love their blush palettes. I think it's pretty much every every holiday season that they come out with something like this, and I usually get it because it's such a good deal because they're all full size. This one is the Cool Down. These shades are gorgeous. Peachy pink, a purple, and then a very light pink color. Actually looks extremely washed out on camera, but it is a really light pink. Oh my gosh, these are so pigmented. I love their makeup. I mean, Clinique was like the OG for me back in the day. Like all I wanted to do was own everything from Clinique. So there it is. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but have a really nice shimmer to them. So you're gonna get like shimmery highlight. Okay, so next thing I got was the Venus Lime Crime palette. Sorry, the Lime Crime Venus palette. The Immortals, oh my gosh. If you are looking for a cool toned, dreamy, hella pigmented palette, you are going to die for this. As soon as it went live on Ulta, I bought it because this is like what cool tone dreams are made of. This is literally what I've been wanting my whole life, pretty much. Like, that's so dramatic. The majority of them in here are matte, which is amazing. And then they've got really two beautiful kind of like gunmetal colors. Oh, this black, I mean, I'm probably not even gonna be able to get that off. I'm wearing this, I've got Moth in my crease, and that's kind of like a light pinky purpley shade. So here's the first row. These two are very light, but they have really good pigmentation. If you can see, they're just so fair that it doesn't look like they do right there. And then the black. So that's the first row. This is what I have on my lids today, and it is a beautiful, really gorgeous pewter gunmetal color. Beautiful. And then Cameo is just almost this very, very faint khaki color, but damn, it is pigmented. It's almost like a khaki off-white shade. You guys, this is so, I love this palette. I love Lime Crime palettes. I think I have all of them. I did get two more palettes. I got the Gingerbread and the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I mean, like, you would think that they were like buy one, get one. This is the Metropolis palette from Natasha, and it's such a beautiful array of shades. I love this. I've been using it. I will do a get ready with me, even though you guys have probably seen it a ton. I mean, look at the quality of these shadows. So pretty, you guys. And the entire palette swatches like that. The Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. And this one, oh, I love. I've been wearing this a ton as well. I've got the first one. It smells not like chocolate, more kind of like Play-Doh. I like this. It's very warm. All of the shades are so freaking amazingly. Oh, this for the gram. Oh, look at these shades, you guys. That is like a beautiful kind of rose gold coppery color. That's stunning. I mean, there's so many freaking good shades. And then there's Cinnamon. I love that. Like Black Snake Moan. Lick the Spoon. I mean, you guys, every single shade in here, if you love warm colors and you like neutrals, you are definitely gonna wanna grab this one because it's neutral, it has pizzazz, it's got everything. So this next thing I got was the Too Faced Gingerbread Bronzed Kit, and this was not on my radar at all until my girl was at JCPenney Sephora, and she and I, whenever she works there, I always buy stuff. I actually love this. This is what the packaging looks like. So then it's this Gingerbread Tan Spicy Bronzer. Oh, this is so pretty. The color of it is actually very neutral. It's got some really pretty shimmer on it. Ooh, that's just an overlay color. It is so pretty. And then it comes with this lip color, and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is like the best kit ever. Look at that. Look at that. seriously, like you need this kit. Okay, so then my friend was telling me about this toner, and this is from Basia. It's the resurfacing treatment toner. I love treatment toners, and she said this was what was keeping her skin looking phenomenal, which it always does. And so I'm gonna try that. I'll probably try it on my pussy too. You know about that video coming up is coming up very soon, probably this week. So you'll know what I'm referring to when I discuss this. All right, next thing I got was this Caudalie Vinopure. This is the Skin Perfecting Serum. This was sent to me from Caudalie, and I love their skincare. And I figured this would be good for like when I was breaking out or when my pores decide to be non-cooperative. So I'm glad they sent me this so I can try this out. This is their serum. It smells really good, very fresh. Just this next foundation completely blew me away. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage. Who knew? Who knew that Smashbox would come out with like the foundation of the year? I put this on in the store, and literally it was almost like I was putting on a face mask that was transparent. Like it was completely perfecting my skin and filtering it like a Facetune filter as I was applying it. It was crazy amazing, but it doesn't look like foundation. It's amazing. So I'm in the shade 218 and the neutral, and this is what it looks like. I will definitely do a get ready with me, but if you have somewhere close that you can run and try this foundation, it's so good, especially if you have acne scarring or any type of maybe marks on your face that are hard to cover up. Try this because it covers it up in a way where it doesn't look cakey. I applied it with my fingers and it looked so good. So awesome foundation. I was super excited about that. And then I'm actually wearing this mixed with Bite Beauty's Kava today, and this is Sexual Healing from NARS. And this is a really pretty cool toned light pinky color. It has a little bit more dimension on the lips because it's a nice lip topper, but also kind of a nice everyday glossy lip color that you can just throw on. It's really pretty. And then I also wanted to try out the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleepy Mask. Have you guys tried this? I heard this line from Glow, this avocado line's really good, and definitely in the market for anything to help with under my eyes. Firming and brightening, yes, I could use that. The Becca Glow Dust Highlighter. So this is Champagne Pop. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna see if I can try to apply this. It applies, it is so freaking pretty. Like I know I have the Champagne Pop as well, but I thought that this kind of gave almost a more intense wet look type highlighter. So if that's what you're going for, you're gonna love this. I feel like the Champagne Pop's pretty intense too, the matte version. I just thought that this was different, and my friend who works at Ulta, she was like, you need it, and pretty much it's monkey see, monkey do with her, and she knows that. One of my favorite things that I got. Okay. And I just like looked at myself in the mirror way too long when I did that. Came out at Sephora called Tower 28, two of their blushes, and they're called the Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. These went out of stock really quick, and then I waited for them to come back in. So I got this shade, which is Magic Hour. Oh, look at that. So that's, you could wear that on your cheeks or your lips, I presume. And then I also got Happy Hour. And this one I thought would be really pretty on the lips in the summer, but it's too late now. I swear I had this in the summer, you guys. That would be such a pretty lip stain. Like this watermelon, like popsicle color. Those are really, real nice. Last two things are from Huda. These are her new like 90s lipsticks. Are they 90s throwback? This is a cool toned nude, and I wanted to get the cool toned one just because that's kind of up my alley right now. And then I think Wedding Day is a darker kind of tone. Yeah, love it. So that's just more of like a darker version with a little bit of brown. Really pretty though. So that's it for my Sephora haul. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.